Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and an active data plan that permits personal hotspot. Once done, check settings, open cellular and confirm mobile data is on, then open personal hotspot. You should toggle Wi-Fi and cellular briefly to reset connections and power cycle both devices to clear temporary faults. Make sure you know your hotspot password and Apple ID if prompted. These quick checks speed up the repair and avoid needless steps later. Next, you dive into configuration. Open personal hotspot and set it to allow connections or enable family sharing if you use it. If Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing fails, pair devices again and confirm the hotspot SSID and password match. When intermittent issues persist, perform reset network settings to flush corrupted profiles. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also check for carrier settings updates, and when necessary, verify APN details so your cellular tethering is recognized by the network. To finish, confirm connectivity using alternate methods. Try USB tethering to determine if the phone's radio works independently of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. If USB works, the problem is local to wireless settings. If not, test with a different device or a different SIM to isolate whether the issue is the iPhone or the carrier. If everything else fails, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is permitted and ask Apple support to run diagnostics. One key tip: always test with a wired connection first to pinpoint the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.